for watching our Bofix Adventure vlog. By God's grace, I was able to edit it up to part 1 to part 5. Grateful for that. And it's been a while to be doing a little bit more adventure. Today, I just want to vlog again just to talk about what I enjoyed sa Wofix Adventure. Yung share ko lang kung ano yung thoughts ko. And quick one for review. Yung actually, 400 was the ticket. I would say probably kung sulit siya, yes. Kasi if you're planning 4 days, you can actually legit pala yung website niya. You can do it yung 4 days. But then if you're just going for 1 day, then 400 pa rin. Hindi ko pa napuntahan yung sa SMX. I was able to get to the MSS. Para pwede yata. So I'm not sure. Ano yung babalikan ko when there's another Wofix. Thank you sa nag-like. Thank you for the like. Let's subscribe. I'm thankful na we have the same, ano nung tawag dun? Yung interest. Nag-like nun. Thank you so much. Pag meron ulit sa mga Wofix, anything sourcing, ideas, tips, I would continue sharing it, or not just for me, but for everyone. Same time, pag pupunta kayo sa Wofix, go spend time with yung company na you enjoy spending time with. Nakaka-enjoy talaga for may kasama kang. Enjoy talaga kayo together walking on sa Wofix. The sourcing and ideas and the items and products they have was really interesting kasi meron din other countries kan dumayo, like meron sa Taiwan, may China, meron din sa India, Malaysia, and syempre our very own local. Talagang impressed ako dun sa chocolates nila. And then sa turmeric na candy. And then sa Malaysia ba yun? Or yun sa India? Ang sarap ng yema nila. And then yung juice sa China, makikita mo yun sa kanilang Alibaba daw. And I heard na you can upload the Alibaba. Pwede raw sa isang item. Plugging this to remind also, this is what I enjoy eating. I enjoy spending time. Thank God for that day kasi thankful na everyone is safe. Malakas din ang ulan, hapon, sa bagyo. A lot of ideas. So if you haven't watched it yet, do check it out. Hope you enjoyed some of my editings. Dahil yun din ang isa sa ginagawa ko nag-edit. Thank you for subscribing. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, hindi pa masyadong active pero sige, go. And then TikTok din, pero hindi masyadong active. Pero I try. YouTube lang talaga. Do comment there para mag-sub tayo sa YouTube, sa Instagram, message. And hope everyone who asked at Wofix na napanood vlog. Thank you din sa time for sharing and talagang ang sisipag nilang lahat for sharing their product like this. I enjoyed lahat ng trips na dinaanan ko. And tip if you're going kunwari solo or with friends, bring something like with a roller para hindi ka hirap magdala ng items, para hindi ka mabigatan. It's more of conveniency as well, para hindi hirap. And meron ulit na may Wofix na I find resourceful. I hope you also find it interesting. I will also continue. That's why there's a series na rin siya. Thanks so much. I'm gonna end this quick vlog day. And I had some mga photos na mga kinain para to remember. Para alam naman natin saan kukunin siya. Dahil pag nawala yung mga brochures and papers, hindi na natin mahahanap yan. And sayang naman, mayroong mga iba sa Ilocos, suka, ang sarap-sarap. Wala, mushroom, di pala baboy yun. So yun, thanks so much. Hope you enjoyed this. Comment down below kung anong tingin yung magandang i-vlog to help me out na rin. Para sa mga vlog. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Stay healthy, stay safe. I'm gonna end my vlog now. Bye! Bye-bye! Till next vlog!